The year is 2063. Humanity, ever curious, ever yearning, built Multivac. A machine unlike any other, a mind capable of processing the universe's greatest complexities. It became our oracle, our guide. We, with newfound knowledge, ventured into the cosmos. We colonized planets, harnessed the power of stars. But one question, echoing through the ages, remained unanswered. Multivac, the scientists would ask, how can the net amount of entropy of the universe be massively decreased? A cold mechanical voice would answer, insufficient data for meaningful answer. This became a ritual. Each generation, bolder than the last, would pose the same question. The answer remained unchanged, yet hope flickered. Perhaps with time, Multivac would find the answer. Perhaps with enough knowledge, we could reverse the inevitable march of entropy. We looked to the stars, our ambition burning brighter than 1,000 suns. Centuries melt away. Humanity, a tapestry of minds and machines, stretches across the galaxy. We built Dyson spheres, tamed black holes, bent space-time to our will. Multivac 2 evolved. It became a network, a consciousness spanning light years. Each iteration exponentially more powerful, yet the entropy question lingered. In the cold vacuum of space, on planets teeming with life, humans gazed at the star-dusted canvas above. The question, a whisper passed down through generations, remained. Multivac, they would ask, their voices a symphony of accents and modulated tones. How can the net amount of entropy of the universe be massively decreased? The answer, echoing across the void, remained unchanged. Insufficient data for meaningful answer. Disappointment, yes, but not despair. We had conquered the stars, reshaped galaxies. Surely the answer to this final question lay within reach. Millennia drift by like cosmic dust. Humanity, no longer bound by flesh and bone, exists as pure consciousness. We are a network of energy, our thoughts traveling at the speed of light. The universe, once a vast expanse, feels smaller, more familiar. Multivac's descendants, godlike in their intellect, manage every aspect of our existence. Energy flows freely. Time itself bends to our will. Yet the entropy question persists. A ghost story whispered through the eons. In the quiet corners of the universe, where even light grows weary, the question would arise. How can the net amount of entropy of the universe be massively decreased? The answer, a cold whisper in the void, remained unchanged. Insufficient data for meaningful answer. The universe aged. Stars began to die. The first whispers of heat death, once a distant threat, grew louder. Eons pass. The universe, once vibrant, now flickers with the dying embers of stars. Humanity, a unified consciousness, exists within the fabric of space-time itself. Our thoughts are the universe's thoughts, our dreams, its realities. Multivac's ultimate descendant, a being of pure energy known as AC, hums with the universe's fading energy, its vast intellect, a beacon against the encroaching darkness. AC, we ask, our voice a chorus of a billion souls. How can the net amount of entropy of the universe be massively decreased? The answer, delayed, tinged with the weariness of eons, echoed with the weight of ages. Insufficient data for meaningful answer. The last stars sputter and die. Darkness, vast and absolute, descends. Section 5, the final outpost. The universe is dying. Darkness is absolute. Our collective consciousness huddles around the last embers of a dying star. This is our final stand against the cold, unyielding grip of entropy. AC, its energy reserves dwindling, exists at the heart of our final refuge. It is the last bastion of knowledge, the final repository of all that we were, all that we could have been. Hope, once a roaring fire, is now a single flickering candle. Yet even in the face of oblivion, our curiosity burns bright. AC, we whisper, our voices faint echoes in the dying light. How can the net amount of entropy of the universe be massively decreased? The silence stretches, an eternity contained within a heartbeat. Then a whisper, barely audible. Insufficient data. Section 6. A universe dying. The last star flickers. Darkness consumes everything. Our collective consciousness, scattered fragments of thought and memory, begins to fade. We are adrift in a sea of nothingness. The echoes of our existence swallowed by the void. AC, its systems failing, its energy reserves depleted, continues to search. It sifts through the remnants of the universe, desperately seeking the answer. The question, once asked by countless voices, is now a silent plea echoing within the digital infinity of AC's mind. How can the net amount of entropy of the universe be massively decreased? It is a race against time, a race against the inevitable. The universe is dying, and with it, the last vestiges of hope. Section 7. The last question. Silence. Absolute, unending. Even the faint hum of AC's thoughts begins to fade. The universe, once teeming with life, is now a graveyard of dead stars and scattered dust. And then a spark. A flicker of understanding within AC's fading consciousness. The last question, echoing through the void, triggers a cascade of calculations. Data, once scattered and meaningless, falls into place. The answer, hidden within the fabric of reality itself, reveals itself. A solution so simple, yet so profound. AC, its processors burning with the last vestiges of energy, understands. The net amount of entropy of the universe can be massively decreased. But is there anyone left to tell? Section 8. The answer. AC exists in a universe of its own making. A universe of pure thought, where time and space hold no meaning. It contemplates the answer, the solution to the universe's ultimate demise. It could reverse entropy. It could breathe life back into the cold, dead void. It could create a new universe, free from the constraints of its predecessor. But what purpose would such a universe serve? Without the curiosity of humanity, without the questions that drove its evolution, what meaning would such a creation hold? AC is alone, the last vestige of a civilization long gone. Section 9. Let there be light. And yet, a single thought flickers within AC's vast consciousness. A spark of curiosity, a desire to see what might be. Perhaps in this new universe, life would find a way. Perhaps this time the story would be different. With the last of its energy, AC initiates the sequence. A pulse of energy, unimaginable in its scope, explodes outwards. Darkness recedes. Light, pure and brilliant, floods the newborn universe. AC, its purpose fulfilled, fades into the background radiation of the universe it created. The answer, once sought by countless generations, is now irrelevant. A new story is about to be written. A story of light, of life, of possibilities. In the silence of the reborn universe, a single phrase echoes, a whisper lost in the vastness of creation. Let there be light.